welcome to the shed. Just have a quick look at a little problem that I've picked up on my little Lexmoto 125 FMS, and it's quite a simple little fix, and if anybody's else experienced it, I think you might find this useful. So one of the problems I've had with my scooter is that when I was riding along on the front brake, I had a little bit of a knocking noise, and I could feel it through the handlebars. So I was feeling the worst, that it was probably the head bearings that had gone. So I had a little bit of a look, did a few checks, and this is what I discovered. So one of the first things I did was I picked the front end up and checked for some play on the front wheel, backwards and forwards, and that kind of told me that there was nothing wrong with the head race bearings. However, when I put the front brake on and push the bike forward, I was getting a little bit of rotation in the wheel, so I thought it might be something to do with the brake caliper. So just remove these two bolts from here, and all this in the carrier came away, and it gave me the chance to remove this and see if there was anything wrong at all. So there's the front caliper removed. And what happened when I removed the carrier, it just slides out of there. This one, just there, there's a very slight bit of play in it. It was wiggling, so I just pinched the nut up at the back, made it all solid, and since then it's been as right as rain. No knocking, no travel, good as gold. Simple fix. Now if you do have a similar problem and you think it's that, you can actually get to that bolt around the back of the caliper, which is, you can see where my finger is just there. That's the one, and if you just give it a little nip just to tighten it up on the top, that might cure your problem without having to take it off. But I had to take all the caliper off to find out what the initial problem was. So little tip if you get something like that. So there you go, that's the quick repair I've carried out. Just remember, if you're not happy about tackling jobs like this, or haven't got the confidence, or you're not sure, please get somebody with a little bit of expert advice to have a look for you. But I've just put it there just in case somebody might find this useful. That's it, my little Lexmoto 125 FMS. It's still going strong. Hope you like the video, and always remember, if you do like these little videos, you can always give them a like or subscribe if you wish. Thanks for watching, and as ever, stay safe and keep it upright.